Subtitles are a great way to expand your reach on YouTube. It adds more metadata and it helps people read along if they can't hear you properly. And that's what we talk about today, how to add subtitles to your YouTube videos. Here we go. Now, subtitles is a very powerful tool that's often overlooked. Subtitles is a great way to expand your reach to other people that want to watch your content. They may be at work and might not be able to listen to it, or they're in a quiet place and then prefer to read through it. Maybe they learn better whilst reading through it, or maybe English isn't their native language and they want to learn that language from you. So I'm going to show you how you can add your own subtitles to your own videos. Okay, so first of all you need to pick the video that you are going to add subtitles to. I'm going to pick this video because it's not yet published and I'm using it as a guinea pig. So you click Edit. This is your normal video details page, your title, your description, your tags, your playlists, that kind of thing, but we're focusing on subtitles and closed captions. Okay, so once you've clicked on this, you'll notice immediately that there is an automatically published subtitles. Now this is Google trying to guess the words that are coming out of your mouth, and 90% of the time it's okay, but it's not necessarily fantastic, and I do believe the automatically generated ones aren't used as metadata, it's just there as kind of a stopgap. Now what I do is I click on the automatic translations and then I go back in and I edit them accordingly to make them sound a little bit better and make them match up. Now as it is your own video, you may know the word yourself, so what I do is I go in and I have a look at the words that Google has suggested I am saying and I edit them on the fly. So because I know that this is me and I know how I talk, I'll look and I'll go, okay, so you've set up your own channel and you want to roll, get your first 1,000 subscribers. So I know what I'm saying. But what you can also do is unmute the audio and type along with it. You've set up your channel, you're on a roll, and you want to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. That's what we talk about today. Okay, at the point you want to edit, you go in, I want to put a full stop there, that's my animation. And then over here, I move back to the next timestamp and then wait for him to talk. Hello and welcome back to another video. Okay, I didn't say hello in this bit, so I type in hello and welcome back to another video. Okay, and then I go back to play. If you're new around here and you're looking to start a YouTube channel. Okay, so I said now, if you're new around here, so now, if you're new around here and you're looking to start a YouTube channel, and once again, you'll see I've jumped to that timestamp. It will jump to the start of that timestamp code there when I click play. You can do start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there. It's the second largest search engine on the internet. Click subscribe, start creating. Now, okay, so you'll see that it jumped down as the timestamp went along. So push your brand out there into the second largest search engine on the internet. Okay, I feel that that's the end of a sentence, and then it moves to the next one. Click subscribe, and then I like to capitalize start creating. Okay, and then I go back. Now if you want to put a line break in, you hold down shift and press enter, and then it moves down to the next line. Basically you work your way through the entire video like that. Click subscribe, start creating, and then start editing what he says. Now you can listen as you go across, or as I said, as it goes down, if you kind of know the words that you're trying to say, then you can match it up across and you can edit it without even listening. And then whenever you're ready, once you've done the whole list and you feel that it's correct, all the way down to the last little bit, right, you then simply click save. What this will now do is make the version that you've clicked saved into English and not English automatic, or whatever language you chose to put it in. Okay, and then you can go in, and I suggest deleting the automatic, which you simply do by clicking back on the automatic, click unpublish, and then it will allow you to delete draft. In this case, because I've only unpublished it, it's now hidden and it's now grey, which means it can't be visible on the front end. And for you to turn on the subtitles at the front end, you click on that little icon there, and then under the cog, you'd pick what language your subtitles happen to be in, English. And then you can go and watch or enjoy your own videos in subtitles. It also does auto-translate, and you can translate anything that anybody says into any language that you choose, right? So therefore, if you're watching me in, I don't know, English, and you want to see what I'm saying in Mongolian, it will auto-translate for you, in which I have no idea if that's correct. But obviously, if you've published your own translations into the first bit, it will use that and then translate that automatically using Google Translate into the other language. So it's a bit closer if you've done your own transcription. So that's how you add subtitles to your YouTube videos. For more tricks and tips, there's a PDF up here in the description down below. Subscribe for 2 videos each and every week. Hit that notification icon so you're alerted next time I go live. Go out there, start creating.